So, engine upgrades come and go, but disorganized assets haunt projects forever. Whether you are on Unreal Engine 4, Unreal Engine 5, or prepping for Unreal Engine 6, solid asset management is the difference between a joyful dev flow or a nightmarish scavenger hunt. So here's what lasts, no matter how shiny the engine gets. Yes, even in 2025, Unreal doesn't care what you name things until you do. Stick with the proven name patterns like BP underscore for blueprints, SK underscore for skeleton, SM underscore for skeleton, static mesh, T underscore for texture, M underscore for material, and etc. And keeping it human readable like BP underscore player or weapon master or something like that beats new blueprint 8 every time. One makes things clear and one doesn't. So I would like to suggest like organize by purpose, not vibes. If you are naming things like cool stuff slash or like miscellaneous slash or temporary 2 slash, you will get grabbed into finding some important file someday. So it is better to always name things like character slash enemy slash boss 1 or UI HUD slash main menu or something like prop weapon melee and swords, because when Unreal Engine 6 project scales, a clean folder tree is your best friend. So never make new material from scratch unless you absolutely needs to. You can always use something like master material with parameter switches, material instance for variation, selection of libraries for reuse, because future engine version will likely expand subtraits or shader systems, and your life will be easier if you are not managing 300 separate materials. And then you can use world partition, sublevels, and level streaming correctly. Keep levels clean and modular. Offload cluttered into actor blueprint or procedural content. Other than that, Unreal Engine 6 will likely build on this system. So best to stop putting every rock and chair into a persistent level. Then comes the source control or die trying. I mean, use preforce or use Git or use plastic SCM, but use something. So, because even if you are a solo dev, there are a lot of benefits like rollbacks when something breaks, asset version history, safer migration between engine versions. Unreal Engine 6 will be a whole lot less painful if you have backups and to wrap it all up, I would like to just say no engine feature will save you from chaos if your assets are a mess. So label clearly, structure consistently, instance smartly, and the version everything. Your future self and Unreal 6 will thank you so much. And now drop a like if you have ever reached search for SM underscore thing underscore final underscore 2 underscore real underscore for real. I mean, where the heck is this? So comment your most cursed folder name, and I will catch you in the next one where we don't store texture in blueprint folders ever.